France is known for its engineering excellence and precision manufacturing, making it an ideal setting for developing and mastering advanced welding techniques like inner sheet welding. In recent years, France has seen a growing demand for skilled welders capable of handling thin materials such as sheet metal, aluminum, and stainless steel using high-precision methods. Welders in France are increasingly turning to inner sheet welding as industries ranging from automotive to aerospace rely heavily on detailed metalwork. Across France, fabrication shops and production plants require accurate, clean, and distortion-free welding qualities that inner sheet welding offers. Training programs throughout France emphasize this method, integrating it into technical courses and apprenticeships that prepare students for high-precision welding jobs. France has a robust vocational education system, and many schools specialize in TIG welding, which is a preferred process in inner sheet welding due to its control and low heat input. In fact, France is considered one of Europe's leaders in welding education, with institutions focusing on welding techniques that include sheet metal assembly, fine joint formation, and the use of filler rods for thin material applications. The growing electric vehicle industry in France also boosts the relevance of inner sheet welding, as battery enclosures and vehicle bodies often require highly accurate sheet metal welds. In France, the need for welders who can handle precision sheet work is not limited to cars or airplanes. Many architectural and artistic metal projects also rely on these skills. France continues to expand its industrial output, especially in high-value manufacturing, and inner sheet welding plays a key role in maintaining quality standards. In various regions of France, including Lyon, Paris, and Toulouse, metal fabrication businesses are constantly hiring welders skilled in TIG welding for sheet metal. Because inner sheet welding requires clean starts, consistent arc length, and minimal heat distortion, France's technical schools ensure students get hands-on training using advanced welding machines with pulse settings and argon gas shielding. The availability of quality tools and safety equipment in France further enhances the welding environment, making it easier for newcomers to learn and excel in sheet welding processes. In France, inner sheet welding is also tied to the development of eco-friendly technologies. Many of the country's renewable energy components, such as solar panel brackets and wind turbine housings, are fabricated using thin sheet materials that must be joined with precision. Welding for beginners in France often includes an introduction to sheet welding through simple projects, followed by more complex joints and angles used in real-world applications. As a result, France's workforce is better prepared to meet the growing technical demands of industries such as aerospace, energy, automotive.